Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and we had a little bit of FUD. We had FUD on Bitcoin mining, in China. When did that FUD happen? Well, exact at the top over here. Yeah, pretty brutal, big drop. I got the news over here. I got it as soon as it came out on Twitter, and I was deciding, is this bad? Is this good? Should I short it now? Should I close my long? I didn't do anything, so I'm bag holding underwater. I'm snorkeling. So yeah, from what I heard, they will only ban mining with coal-powered power. So hydropower is still okay to mine over there in China. That's about that. Now we're gonna take a look at the broader markets and all the other markets. S&P 500 still looking good. Managed to punt in a higher high over here. Had a little bit of a dump as well. Probably a higher low. Same for Nasdaq. Broke out, retest over here, and looking to go back up. The Dixie is bouncing a little bit. Still not yet a higher high over here compared to this one. Gold strong. I'm bullish on the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Dixie, we will take a closer look. This is what we're seeing on a higher time frame. If this one gives in, if they come to a next step over here on this level over there, it will fail. Then they will come over here. And that is the big question. Bitcoin right now is bouncing, and I'm expecting upside, just so you know it already. Currently it is at 37 flat. I was waiting for today's video a little bit because I want to give you guys something useful, and I was a little bit unsure of what to think of the market. Dixie, double bottom kind of over here, looking to go lower lows and lower highs. We're at the daily, and the daily doesn't look that good yet. They're trying to bounce it, but not yet much success. Bitcoin, lower time frame. What I would look at now, what I'm looking at right now, is a break of this trend line, kind of. Like that. We can see discounts and negative funding over here. What we can see as well is an inverse head and shoulder. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Looking to break this trend line and make higher highs. Higher high compared to this one over here. So above 37 something. Levels to watch out now for Bitcoin. I would say this one is resistance right now. Basically like that. I can extend it, Can extend it like this. And then, what else do we have is this line over here. So these are the two lines to watch. Support over here. And some big debt would be something like this. That would be big debt or just go down. If we break 30k again, this stuff is over for the coming months. I'm playing upside still. It's not looking too great. We just have to hold this low. If we go here, end of party, I think. Ethereum, same kind of story. Let me take a look. Same story for Ethereum. Ethereum looking a lot better because that mining issue and energy issue will be gone soon for Ethereum. And the resistance for Ethereum kind of obvious as well. I would say over here, also playing on these stops over there. Can see it in the VPVR as well. Big resistance over here, and that is about it. Playing upside as well. Ethereum BTC looking very good, I would say, after today's, after earlier's drop, broke this trend line. It It was a bit weak earlier today, but I mean, you can see it on your bare eyes. A little bit of chopping, you know, when that news came out of China banning the mining. And China, you know, I saw something funny, someone stating, I don't know who it was, you know, but China FUD is usually, you know, they bring out some FUD and make it a little bit of fake, and then they pound it news, the same news exactly again. Then they start, you know, making the news more clear and keep coming out with the same news, basically. It's all the same, and they keep repeating it and being more clear about it every time they bring it out. This is what I'm seeing for Ethereum BTC. Should be the higher low for now. So that's all good. Break this low, you know, you get out. Break this high, you get in. All we want to do is look at higher highs and higher lows. If we do not see those, if we see lower lows and lower highs, you short. And reversals usually, especially the inverse ones, I look at the inverse head and shoulders. That's my favorite pattern. XRP not looking too great over here. I would get out, get back in once they're above 130. Litecoin, get back in once they're above 230. Matic, get back in after at least this level, I would say, or this level, 188. SNX, 5 minute. Yeah, I don't know. These altcoins are a bit weird to draw for me. I would say get back in at 19, you know, above 19, get out below 15. CRV, not looking too hot. Not looking too hot. Get back in if they're above 250. AAVE, man, so much pain. AAVE, I mean, get out, like seriously, get out if they break this one. If they break 280, you get out. Fundings, you know, everything is pointing upwards. The thing is, we're getting bombarded with FUD, you know. Either you buy some dips now or buy some now and walk away. Just be careful with leverage, you know. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm playing upside, but it is scary. Just gonna be honest with you guys. And I mean, the times when you're scariest, you know, that's most of the times the best entry. But just be careful with leverage, you know, because you do not want to be wrong. BitMEX and Bybit negative predicted fundings, very good, very negative, especially on Bybit predicted. So that is that. That is kind of the news I have today. Yeah, it's FUD, it's weekend, you know, be careful in the weekend. Like the professionals are mostly, you know, enjoying the weekend. Not everybody is working in the weekend, you know, so make sure you watch out with leverage. If you're looking for buying opportunities, you know, spot, I would say, you know, now is maybe a great time, you know, put something in every month or every week. Yeah, I mean, you're at least for sure not buying the top right now. So yeah, that is what I have to say today. Not extremely bullish, could be, you know, but I mean, right now, if we make it lower low, you know, we're effed. So just so you guys know, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And like I said, you know, today's video was a bit later than usual because I wasn't that sure of the market. And I'm still not really sure. So see you guys again tomorrow. Happy trading and make sure to subscribe.